Hello, my dear students. So, today we are going to begin with the next lesson of your syllabus. So, students, look at this picture carefully. What do you think? Which game are they playing? Kabaddi. Yes. So, in today's lesson, we are going to see a Kabaddi match which is held in a school between the class 9th A and 9th B. How excitedly, how beautifully it is described, and we are going to learn more. We are going to explore. We are going to see how the match was and who won and who lost. Let's begin. The school sports meet was scheduled next month. The practice matches had already begun. 9th B were the favourites as they had strong players in their team. The Kabaddi trials were on. This year, there were 3 new students in class 9th A. To everyone's surprise, they proved to be outstanding players. 9th A's hopes soared. Soared means rised. Everyone were thinking that 9th A were the team which is going to win. But let's see what happens in the sports. When the match started, all the spectators, means audience, started clapping and boosted the morale of both the teams. 9th A won the toss and sent their raider Govin. He was so swift, means he was so quick and fast and active, that before the opponent realized it, he had touched Suresh from 9th B and was already heading home. A point was scored. Ravi from 9th B was very strong player. He alone was sufficient to catch hold of any player so tightly in between his legs, twisted like scissors, that releasing oneself from his grip. Releasing means getting out from his legs, twisted legs, or from his grip, tight grip, was next to impossible. For each player declared out, the opposite team scores a point. If all the 7 players in a team are out, the opposite team gets a bonus point, which is called as Alona. The team with the maximum points wins the match. The game of Kabaddi requires good health, muscular strength, strategic skills, a lot of practice, and above all, great determination. So students, we all know that we require a lot of determination, we require a lot of concentration and force to achieve a particular goal in our life. We have to be straightforward, we have to be practical, we have to try hard, and then only we can win a match. So in today's match also we are going to see how it was held and who won the match. Indian girls and boys have also excelled at Kabaddi. Would you like to be an ace Kabaddi player? Ace means an excellent Kabaddi player. When you will get a little older, who knows, if you make a resolve now, one day you may help win glory of your school, district, or even state and the country. So if you make a resolve now, if you make a resolution now that today I'm going to practice hard so that I can become a good player, if you make your good physique, you can make yourself strong by practicing, doing a lot of exercise, only then you can win tomorrow and you can make the school glory, you can make your parents proud, school, district, and even our country. So let's begin with the lesson. To play the game, each team sends a raider, a person which is called as raider, across the midline to the other team. The raider tries to tag the opponent. Opponent is a person who's playing from the another team and runs back to his side, all in one breath. To show that he hasn't inhaled again, he has to chant Kabaddi Kabaddi all the time. If he has to inhale again, he is out. The opponents try to catch the raider and stop him going back to his half till he loses his breath and has to inhale again. If the raider manages to go back successfully, all the persons he has tagged and all those who have touched him are declared out. So these are the rules of the game, and this is how the game is played by the team. Kabaddi is an ancient sport. It originated in India and has now become popular in many countries, so that many international events are organized. In these events, international rules are followed. But several other Kabaddi styles such as Sanjeevani, Gamini, Amar, etc. are followed in different parts of India. In Kabaddi, 2 teams of 7 members each face each other in a flat rectangular court divided by midline. The game is usually played in two halves with a half-time break in between. After the break, the team exchange their sides in the court. So students, today's match is between 9th A and 9th B. 9th A had actually managed to get 3 more bonus points of Lona. It was an icing on the cake. Icing on the cake is an idiom. Means icing on the cake means something really better, something very good than the normal thing. Like you getting bonus points or credit points in your actual marks. That is icing on the cake. What an enviable score. Enviable means beautiful score. Enviable means anyone can be envy of him, jealous. That's such a beautiful score it is. It sets the head of ninth B reeling. Reeling means really sad. They are sad. After the halftime break, the star player of ninth A were full of confidence. So they are very proud and they are very confident now we are going to win. Once again, they managed to catch hold of the ace raider Mohan. Ace raider means one of the really excellent player Mohan, Ajinkya and Ravi. Ninth A outplayed ninth B in all the areas of kabaddi. Outplayed means playing better. So ninth A was playing better than ninth B in all the aspects of kabaddi, in all the forms, all the areas of kabaddi. Their team spirit was excellent. Their confidence and their strategies, their swiftness means quickfulness, activeness, suppleness is the means they were very down to earth. They were not very over exaggerated, overconfident. They helped them to beat, that helps them, these all the qualities help them to become a good player. So what are the qualities of good player? Team spirit, confidence, strategies and swiftness and suppleness in the game are the good qualities of a player. So these all things help ninth A to outplay ninth B. So ninth A's team spirit helped them to beat ninth B, who has never tasted defeat earlier. So ninth B is also a really good team. It has never seen defeat in their life, in their game duration. So this is the first time when ninth B is facing this defeat. Now ninth B began to play cautiously. Means now they were very alert and they were playing cautiously. Mihir, one of their raider, even managed to tag Sohan in ninth A. Nothing much happened in the next few raids. Now it was Vivek's raid. Means now this was Vivek's turn to go in the opponent team. He always played with the strategies and they always worked fine. The remaining 3 players from ninth B trapped Vivek. He slowly moved backwards towards in the court. The 3 anti-raiders also moved with him. Anti-raiders means the one who were with him. When they caught his arm and were trying to pull him back, Vivek slipped his leg beyond the midline with the anti-raiders still hanging on to his arm. Oh, the whole ninth B team was declared out. Slowly, he inched towards his court. All the anti-raiders with all their might were trying their best to pull him back. But with the great determination and without losing his breath, Mangesh successfully touched the midline. There were cheers in the air. He had not only saved himself but also was able to score 3 points for his team, as Ravi, Mohan and Ajinkya, who were holding him, were also declared out. All the players were literally afraid of him. This ace player had won many matches of 9th B with the support of Mohan and Vinod. 9th B were unbeatable. Unbeatable means no one could lose them, no one could defeat them. Mangesh from 9th A was also strong. He was a good match for Ravi. Ravi was relaxed as he had never dreamt of any strong opposition from any team. When Mangesh was wrestled down by, wrestled means wrestling, you have seen, na? In that way Ravi, what he did is opponent means Mangesh. What Ravi did, he wrestled down Mangesh on the land, on the court, and his friends, everyone in the spectators are the people, those who are cheering the players, those are audience, those are spectators, thought that 9th A would lose Mangesh, but Mangesh proved his mettle. Proved his mettle means everyone used to say that Mangesh is a good player and he stayed by their words. He proved that. He was on the ground with the anti-raider catching hold of his waist and legs. He was not simply fallen down on the ground, but he was with the anti-raiders who were in the opposing team holding their waist and legs. So in this sports match of school from 9th A and 9th B, Mangesh from 9th A won the match. So this kabaddi match was really very interesting. It was from this chapter we learn a lot of things. that we need to be really very active in life. We need to enroll ourselves, we need to keep ourselves busy in sports activities so that we become healthy. It is really very important nowadays. You see that because of this pandemic we have learned that fitness is so important, and so we all have to come together and pledge towards a healthy active living. So my dear students, from this lesson we learn that we always have to keep on learning and we should never give up.